Good morning, my friend. This today, this bicycle, this this battery problem, this now work. This bicycle, my friends. This I am this open this battery. This is one jumper. This battery damage. Look my I am the fixing the jumper. This battery correct all correct working. My friend, this now bicycle now working. This battery open. This gent this fixing gent fixing gent. Friend, I am the fixing the gent. This all correct. This good working. My friend, you look this battery the bicycle. Look my friend, this I am battery fixing. Just look this full all this meter checks. Thank you my video like, please my video like, please my video sharing, bell